Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Forza Horizon 5 sign in needed error. So first, what you have to do is to verify the files of your game. So here on the library, right click on Forza Horizon 5 and then click properties. Once you're here on installed files on the navigation bar, click on it and then you will see the verify integrity of game files. Click on it and then wait for it to finish. Once you're done, if that doesn't fix your problem, all you have to do is to do a clean reinstall of this game on another drive. So that method worked for me. Next, what you have to do is to connect to another network. So when you're using your Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz or 2.4 gigahertz, do not use that same network. So basically, you can try to use your phone as your internet connection first, and then you can try to launch your game. Lastly, another method is to go to properties again and then disable this keep games save in the Steam Cloud for FH5. So disable this first, run the game, and then exit and then enable it again. If that doesn't work for you, make sure to report to the customer support of FH5.